style meets storage. 5 center tables that tidy up and level up your living room. First, Sweetcrispy coffee tables storage compartment. $90. This coffee table hides clutter in a discreet storage compartment, keeping remotes, magazines, and blankets out of sight while maintaining a clean look. It's ideal for living rooms that need quick organization and camera-ready surfaces. If you want neat tabletop styling and hidden capacity, this one makes tidying effortless. Second, VASAGLE Coffee Storage Assemble ULCT 243K41, $100. An easy assembly coffee table from VASAGLE with integrated storage that's built for straightforward setup and daily use. Durable and practical, it's great for families who want a functional centerpiece without complicated tools. Choose this if you want a dependable, no-nonsense table that stores essentials and looks good doing it. Third, Coffee Hidden Compartment Storage Tabletop. $80. A budget-friendly coffee table with a hidden tabletop compartment that keeps small items secure and surfaces clean. It's a perfect fit for compact spaces where every inch counts, and it helps keep living areas guest-ready in seconds. If you prize tidy surfaces and clever storage, this low-cost table is a surprising space saver. Fourth, JOINICE Storage Century Sliding Cabinet. $110. A sliding storage coffee table that mixes modern movement with function. Slide open the cabinet to stash games, chargers, or board books. The sliding action adds a tactile upgrade that's satisfying and practical, making it a fun focal point for living rooms. Pick this when you want style and stealth storage in one. Fifth, Yaheetech Compartment Storage Tabletop Reception. $70. A reception-style tabletop with compartments designed for high-traffic living rooms or waiting areas, durable, affordable, and easy to style. It's especially handy in rental spaces or lounges where frequent tidying is needed. If you need a sturdy, low-cost table that hides everyday clutter, this does the trick.